In this video, I'll guide you through how to import leads into Salesforce, a crucial skill for anyone looking to manage customer relationships efficiently. Importing leads correctly can help streamline your sales process and ensure you're working with accurate and up-to-date information. Let's dive right in and take you through the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. First, you need to navigate to the setup page in Salesforce. If you're unfamiliar with how to get there, look for the gear icon, typically located at the top right of your Salesforce interface. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the Setup option. Clicking on Setup will take you to a new page with a wide array of options. Now, in the Quick Find box located on the left-hand side of your screen, type in Data Import Wizard. This tool is essential for importing leads without having to deal with complex data loading processes. Once you've found the Data Import Wizard in the search results, go ahead and select it. You'll see the option to launch the wizard. Click the button that says Launch Wizard. This will bring up the Data Import Wizard interface, which is designed to guide you through the import process step by step. Now, you'll be asked what kind of data you are importing. Since we're focusing on leads, you'll want to select the Standard Objects option, and within that, choose Leads. The wizard will then ask you what you want to do with this data. Since our goal is to add new leads, select Add New Records. This ensures that you're importing fresh data into your Salesforce without overwriting any existing information. Next, you need to choose your matching criteria. This is an important step to prevent duplicate records in your database. Typically, you'll want to select either None or Email as your criteria. Choosing None will import all data as new records, but selecting Email will attempt to match incoming records with existing ones based on email addresses, helping to avoid duplicates if emails are already present in your system. Now that you've set up your import parameters, it's time to upload your data file. Most often, this will be a CSV file containing your leads information. Once your file is uploaded, the wizard will prompt you to map the fields from your file to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. This step is crucial because it ensures that the data is imported correctly into the right fields. Take your time to go through each field, ensuring that, for example, the name fields in your CSV match the name fields in Salesforce. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, review your selections to make sure everything looks good. When you're confident everything is set up correctly, proceed with the import. The wizard will take it from here, processing the file and adding the new leads to your Salesforce database. Depending on the size of your file, this process may take a few moments. And there you have it. You've successfully imported leads into Salesforce. By following these steps, you can ensure that your lead data is accurately and efficiently added to your system, helping you stay organized and focused on nurturing these valuable prospects. Remember, regular imports and updates to your lead database can significantly enhance your sales strategy, ensuring you're always working with the most current information. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Salesforce's extensive help resources or connect with your Salesforce administrator. Thank you for watching, and happy importing.